Hello YouTube, up to no good here, and today I'm doing a taste test video. Today I've been to Aldi shopping place, and I found some beer. This beer is called Bottom Sniffer, right? And it's actually beer for dogs, it's called. It's not for human beings, it's actually for dogs. Dog beer. It says, give your dog a real tail swagger with this non-alcoholic, non-carbonated doggy beer. This ultimate doggy refreshment will help your dog leader of the pack and will have other dogs sniffing their bottoms with jealousy. Serve as a drink or over food. And it's alcohol free. On back it says, help your dog, help give your dog real tail swagger, providing the status and respect they deserve with their doggy peers. The average dog nose is up to 100,000 times more sensitive than ours, and sniffing each other's bottoms is more than just a doggy hello. Gender, diet and emotional status can all be sensed by other dogs. It says, it's no coincidence that our brew contains dandelion and burdock, full of nostalgia in beer type refreshments, and add a touch of goodness and help create the unique taste and aroma. Bottom Sniffer is alcoholic free and non-carbonated, but it offers you the chance to share your beer experience with your pal. Anyway, it's got non-fermented beer wort, concentrated barley malt, water, acidifier citric acid, sounds good, bladderwrack, which is seaweed, it's just the normal seaweed that you get in UK beaches, the one with bubbles in it, natural chicken flavour extract, so it's supposed to taste like chicken, burdock, dandelions, flax, you know what flaxseed is, nettle, you can make nettle beer and nettle tea and everything, what's this, rooibos preservative, I don't know what that is, and potassium sorbate. Anyway, let's try this thing. I'm going to attempt to drink a pint. So I've got these two bottles, this one is 330ml, so I'm going to use probably one of these and a half. Right, let's have a look. So this is it, Bottom Sniffer, beer for dogs. Let's have a look at it. Oh, no carbonation whatsoever, no smoke. Actually smells a bit like beer. Oh, I can smell that chicken flavour. Let's get it into a glass. Ooh, looks like water. It's a bit straw flavoured. Look, wow, it's a bit straw coloured. So look, don't know why we're pouring it cider. It's got no head on it. Look at that. To me, I don't know if you can see that on camera, but it actually looks like dog wee. I'm not so looking forward to this. It actually smells like beer, and I know it says flaxseed. I smell some kind of seed going on, like, smells a bit oaty, a bit porridgey. You smell the nettles. Little bit of fruitiness going on. Let's try this thing. Beer for dogs. Ha! Whoa! That's funny. Taste, let me have another taste. It tastes like gone off beer like proper out-of-date beer, as well as a little hint of chicken. Hang on. Yeah, it tastes a bit like dog food, and I know what dog food tastes like. Yeah, it tastes like dog food. It smells better than it tastes. It's got a bit of a twang to it. A bit like, I don't know, acidic. But it has got acidic regulator, whatever it is. Yeah, definitely. Let me just explain. If you've ever eaten dog food, imagine getting some dog food, mixing it with some water, putting it into a mesh bag and squeezing the juice out. That's kind of what it tastes like. Let's just go for the pint. Dog food, beer for dogs, bottom sniffer. Let's do this. Do you know what? It makes me feel a bit rough. Anyway, if you like my videos, click the like button and press the subscribe button. It really helps my channel, and I've got some good challenges coming up soon. That we're discussing. It does taste like chicken flavoured beer and wee and poo and everything else. So, cheers guys.